So a question I get asked a lot is, how much does registration cost on Rivians? And my first answer is I don't know, because I'm a trophy husband and my wife paid it. My second answer is it doesn't matter, because you don't have to pay it. All you need is a red pen and a Sharpie. Okay. And let's fix this. That's the 6th. And we'll do it red. Just like that, it's fixed. Easy peasy. So there you have it. You guys don't need to sweat registration prices. Or if you pay it, I believe ours was $11.29 for the year. You have to take that with a pinch of salt as well, like most things, because any car that price is going to be the same amount. In some states, there are EV fees that they're going to be charging for road tax. I'm not surprised. I fully expect that in California as well. You know, over time, all the states are probably going to roll to that, since you're not paying, you know, any taxes in gas costs. So, I mean, I'm not excited about that, but I fully expect it. So on the plus side, saving the money on gas. I now charge completely off of the Point Guard energy system and my solar. I can literally run this thing off of just sunshine on my roof, which is amazing. So yes, registration is going to be expensive when you spend $82,000 on a car, but any 3-row SUV this size or bigger, with this much storage, this much capability, this much passenger space, it's gonna be that much or more. I actually think most gas vehicles are now more expensive than the Rivian R1S dual standard. And I think, again, the dual standard is my recommendation to everybody. It's the better charging option for the road trip. So once you're through that first initial charge, and you've drained your battery, then it's going to charge better than the bigger battery packs. You can charge it to 100% every day. It should be the more durable, longer lasting battery pack. There's a bunch of benefits, and nobody needs the performance or anything else. They're cool, and if you've got extra money to burn, that's great. But for somebody like me who's not making money off of this, you know, I've had the referrals and I really appreciate that. But I don't make money off of YouTube. This is a legitimate purchase that is for my family and for our use. So yeah, this isn't something I'm getting paid back from, you know, via YouTube or anything else. So anyone who uses any of my affiliate codes down below, that's really helpful. I love that. I appreciate it. And the Rivian referral code, I really appreciate that as well. I bought a bunch of t-shirts and the racks and the Kamak awning and stuff for my kids. So I appreciate that. That's all extra for me. It's not the reason I do it. The reason I do it is because nobody had a dual standard at the time. Now I wanted to do a review on one. Hopefully you guys have gotten some helpful info on that. More to come. I am just a week away from the 1-year birthday of the day I got this. And I'll be doing another video for that. So yeah, there you go. Registration $11.29. Thanks for watching, guys.